In this video, you will learn how to convert moles to number of items. So what is number of items? When we say items, it could be number of atoms, number of molecules, or ions. So let's try solving some sample problems here. How many oxygen atoms are in 3.2 moles of oxygen atoms? So this is what we're going to do here. Since we're given 3.2 moles of oxygen atoms, we convert this to atoms of oxygen. So moles, we convert number of moles of oxygen to number of atoms of oxygen. And then we start with the given value, which is 3.2 moles. So that would be 3.2 moles of oxygen. And we use the conversion factor. So we use the Avogadro's number. Okay, Avogadro's number, which is just equal to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. In this case, the unit would be atoms. So we multiply this by the factor. So that would be 1 mole of oxygen. It should be oxygen atom. Oxygen is to 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of oxygen. And then we calculate that. Right. This cancels out. Then we calculate that. That would be 3.2 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms oxygen. So this is just equivalent to 1.9 times 10 to the 24th atoms oxygen. So this is our answer. All right, let's solve some more problems. All right, chromium ions are responsible for the beautiful colors of rubies and emeralds. How many chromium ions, Cr+3, are in 3.5 moles of chromium ions? So we're given here 3.5 moles of chromium ions, Cr+3. And then we need to solve for the number of ions. We convert number of moles to ions. So that would be moles Cr+3 to ions Cr+3. And again, we will use the conversion factor using the Avogadro's number. So this is just 3.5 moles of chromium ions times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd ions chromium ions is to 1 mole of Cr+3. And then the number of moles here cancels out. Then we have 3.5 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd ions Cr+3. And this is just equal to, let's calculate this. So this is just equal to 2.1 times 10 to the 24th ions chromium ions. So this is our answer here. All right, let's solve another one. All right, let's convert 30 moles of water, 2 molecules of water. So it's the same thing. We multiply 30 by the conversion factor, Avogadro's number. So that is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of water is to 1 mole of water. And then the mole unit cancels out. Then we have 30.0 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules water. So our answer here is, let's try this. Okay. So our answer here is 1.8 times 10 to the 25 molecules water. Alright, let's solve another one. How many atoms of sodium are in 0.023 mole of sodium Na? Alright, so we need to convert 0.023 mole of sodium to atoms. So that would be mole Na to atoms Na. Again, we multiply this by the conversion factor, by the Avogadro's number, 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. Sodium is to per mole sodium. And then this cancels out. Then we have 0.023 times 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd atoms Na. And then this would give us an answer that is equal to 1.4 times 10 to the 22nd atoms Na. So this is our answer here. In the next video, you will learn how to convert the number of items to moles.